Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a stand in Please Donate. So go to the main page of Roblox, and right here from the top we wanna select the third option called Create. Now once we're here, what we need to click on is the second option, Dashboard. Now from here you will see your public experience, so just click on this one, this icon, whichever it may be. And now from the left hand side we want to go to associated items, so click on this. As you can see, the second option right here is called passes, so just click on it, and right here we are going to set up a pass for our Please Donate stand. So click on create a pass. Now read the rules right here. Image upload is optional, so on and so forth. You can write a name, so I'm just going to upload an image, but make sure it's in JPEG, PNG or BMP format. So click on change like so, and I'm going to upload one image. As an example, I'm going to call it stand Please Donate. The description is not necessary, and then click on create pass. So just give it some time for this to create. As you can see, it's setting up right now. In the meantime, we can left click on it and then go to the left hand side and select sales. Okay, and here's where we actually set the price for our pass. So mark this as item for sale and write the price. So I'm going to do 10 Robux, and you will get 70% of what is donated for you. So 7 Robux in our case. Click on save changes. Pass updated successfully. And now if we go and find an empty stall, we can claim it, and as you can see, now we have a pass called stand Please Donate. This is the one we just created. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.